A foothill business is helping people conserve water during the drought.
High Sierra Showerheads is making shower heads that, you can enjoy your shower, but save water at the same time.
You got to do that, yeah.
Yeah. Action News reporter Amanda Venegas joins us live from Coarsegold with an inside look at the company. Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning, Margot and Jason. A lot of our viewers are waking up. They're taking their daily shower. There's a lot of water coming out there, and in this drought, a lot of us are concerned with water savings. Well, there's a foothill company that's revolutionized the world. Let me tell you, more people are turning to these new shower heads. David Malcolm, you're joining us. Tell us a little bit about the former shower heads and how yours compares.
Well, this is what shower heads used to look like prior to 1993. They were very high flow, 4 gallons a minute or more. Then in 1993, the government mandated 2.5 gallons a minute, and this is what they started looking at like. And then more recently, 4 years ago, we began manufacturing our own design of water-saving shower heads. It's a lot different from the other ones. It doesn't stain, big droplets, feels good, and very effective at rinsing shampoo from long hair, and it never plugs.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about your company and how much it's grown.
Well, we've actually been in business for 30 years making specialty agricultural sprinkler nozzles, which was very stable for many, many years. But just in the last year, probably has a lot to do with the drought here in California. But our sales with the water-saving shower heads has really exploded.
So here on site, you guys manufacture the parts. You guys, right here in this foothill community, are really helping people save water. Tell us where you send your products.
Well, everybody's got a shower, and so everybody needs a good shower. And we're selling these shower heads to people all over the country and even outside the country. We ship weekly to customers in Australia and Canada, and most recently to United Arab Emirates.
Wow, and you guys also have some major institutions also looking to you guys to save water as well.
Right. Because of the unique design of our shower heads, they have many, many different applications, and they've become very popular at institutions like correctional facilities, also military installations, and they feel so good, though, that they're very popular with homeowners and hotels.
All right, thanks so much, David. So you guys are getting an inside look right now at the Coarsegold facility as they hand make these nozzles. So you get the same shower, but you're not using as much water. And Margot and Jason, in this drought, I know every drop counts. So really neat to see what they're doing and the impact they're making around the world. Back to you guys in the studio.
Amanda, might I suggest adding a microphone to the shower head and therefore making it easier to sing in the shower?
Margot, I know you would buy that microphone, but your husband may, no, just joking, he may not want that. But you know what? You probably an invention. Maybe you guys should match up here. This could be one. But, we all love to take showers. We love a strong, nice shower, but nice to see what they're doing in some of the water-saving technology.
Yeah, absolutely, to save water during these drought times. All right, thanks, Amanda.